Nah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this occasion, I'm doing a video about my project that calls Kitakwa. It's an application that built using Flutter framework with Dart language. And I will explain the video and code. So, what is this? That is the section of main Dart. So, in the first import dashboard screen is for taking the file from dashboard screen project like that. So this is the main screen like that. Main screen when first time open. Okay, so dashboard screen for it. And then he importing the Doa screen to taking the file of Doa screen. This screen for showing the Doa, component Doa. The third is jadwal sort screen. It's for taking file jadwal sort screen. This screen will show the, like the name, show the jadwal waktu sholat aja. The third one for it's for taking zakat screen too. It's this screen. It's for counting zakat and info about zakat. And in this demo, I will demoing zakat screen. As you can see in the screen, in there is zakat. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth one is for taking Flutter material design like scaffold, paper, text, and others. And the last one is for um, taking the data format from the that local date like that. This is very useful, yeah, for showing format Indonesia like that. Okay, now let's go to here. So what is this? Appointment. It's for this section. It's for make sure that the system of the Flutter is working well before running other code. Like that. And then this OS in the thing format. It's for making ready the format of the date, especially the Indonesia date. So, for example, if the date 31 October, it can show like that. And then run app const my app. This for running the app and calling the widget, the main widget that called my app. Okay. And then this. What is that section? Okay. Oh no. We'll go this first. My app, yeah, the main app widget, main app that called my app is a status widget. What is a status widget? Status widget is for saving the data that not change. Eh, yeah, not change. And then this is this. It's for yeah, construction. Yeah, it's go on. And then this. Okay, right widget build context. This the function of build is to make a preview of UI like this. And then this return material app that is for yeah, can say bungkus sama like that. And then there's the title. This is the title of the application. Usually is get shown in the task manager of the handphone. And then the theme. This it's setting up the theme of the application. And what is this? It's for making a combination color from the main color like that. What is the main color in here? It's it show the main color is purple or purple like that. And then this is the roots ya. Roots it's like in bahasa daftar halaman. For example, this what is this? Is the main screen that will show when the application get open the dashboard screen. Now this why we can using this because we already imported the widget of the dashboard screen there. If we're not using this, for example, it's wrong. It will be error 2. It will be error 2. Nah, it is. You must say, nah, if we're not using this very important. It cannot using this command. It cannot. And it's in. And then doa, it's daftar for the page of doa, daftar for zakat screen, and the zakat screen. Okay, let's next to color constant. So what is this? This for actually the preview of the application. So it's in there's the importing package from the material that is for importing packet from material design from the Flutter. This packet is contain component contain contain many components like button, color, bar, scaffold, and many. Okay, so what is this? Class color constant. It's for making a new class that called color constant for saving the color of the application. What for this? It's for save the all color just in one place to make it more tidy. So it more easy to tidy, easy to let's say how to say the color, easy to dikelola and make consistency lah for the application. Kan if there's black, the main color black and white, and then there is red kan, it's making the application black, the preview. Now let's go to this. Static color primary equal color constant color. This is for the main color of the application. So this color, uh, it's a class from Flutter to define a color, and then this the code of the color code. Uh, and then it's in other but different classes. There's color primary here kan. There is color primary dark, color accent, color white, color text. Yeah, the simple is this for color setting like that. And let's go to Zakat screen. Okay, we'll go to here. This, yeah, that's one. It's for importing. The first one, card result harta dart. Import the widget that we are already making. That called card result harta. What for this widget? Yeah, widget. This widget is for to show the result of the calculating the total harta and the zakat that must get paid. And the second, import package with Aqua color constant. It's for importing the file of the color to make the application color it's more consistent. If we're not using this, color constant that it cannot using the color setting. And then import package Flutter material that this for the package for making a preview UI for application. Yeah. If we want to make a UI must there is must this package like that. Must have this package. And then in here there is math masked text, Flutter masked text. This for package to make input number with a money format. For example, 1 million for 1.000.000. Nah, that's for. And the last into that is for package to format the number or a date from local. For example, format Indonesia rupiah like that. Okay. Now let's go to this one. Class Zakat Screen Extend Stateful Widget. This for section Zakat Screen. Stateful means the preview that can change because the data it's changing. And the second counts Zakat Screen. It's construction the standard this optional actually. And then let's go to here. So what is this? It's making a class that for data and logic. See, yeah. Okay. And now let's go to this section. What this section for? It's for the section of the logic and the preview. Nah, final money mass tax controller rupiah. Yeah, this one actually like this. It's actually that's it. Yeah, to input the money to make auto format to become rupiah. Okay, oh, 100, 100 It can if there is this 1.000.00 now automatic. And thousand separator, yeah, like the name, it's for separating the dot. Yeah. For example, yeah, in here, yeah, like this. For example, 1000. Nah, if there is no thousand separator, there is no dissection. The user will input like this, right? But the preview, okay. So we input like this. Wait, let's check. Nah, oh no no. We input can using dot like this. If there is no this section, it's just 000. It is 00. We will confuse this 1000 or 10,000 or 1 million. If there is dot, it's more easy to understand. And then there's the decimal separator. And let's go move to the next section. Is what is that? Double total harta equals 0. Is the total of the money of the user in rupiah zakat dikeluarkan. This is jumlah, you can say money that must pay for zakat. And then there is in here final double minimum harta. This is the batas or the minimum for the zakat. It's equal for 85 grams. I mean, it's equal for 85 gram gold. Okay. If the data, okay, this for, oh yeah, this for, if if not hit this, it cannot do something like that. I will explain in this one. In the bottom, wait, we need this first. So what is this? Is for show, yeah, results that you can say dalam bentuk teks ya, yang already get format become rupiah. Yeah. And then let's go to the section of function for counting zakat. So this is the system of the zakat. Okay, this is actually the important one. Okay, we will start from this. Void hitung zakat. String clean value control rupiah tax reverse. It's for cleaning up the dot from the input to make angka normal. So from this, wait, from this become this. Nah, why? Okay. So maybe you're asking why the system must convert it first to count it. Nah, it's because yeah, the system can. Okay, now let's go to this. So what is this? Double input value. It's for converting again the text from the number double. If fault, if gagal, the result will zero. Okay, okay. In here, if input value minimum harta set state. Nah, this is the logic nih. If yeah, if the total harta already hit hit the batas of the wajib zakat, nisab ya, you can say nisab. So the system will do counting like that. Set state in here zakat. So it counting it's almost so 100 the value of our money to make convert it to what is the 2.5%. Nah, this is the logic. Right? So zakat 2.5 from the total harta like that. Okay. Now this formatted total harta number format currency is the result format from the counting to make the preview become rupiah again. For example, 85.000. Nah, to make it more good again. Okay. And then, nah, and then this same here. And then there is show dialog. So what is this show dialog nih? Show dialog context alert dialog. Nah, if so this logic again. If the total harta not yet enough for the wajib zakat or nisab, it will warn message. Nah, what message? In here we can see title constant text peringatan. Nah, this the header peringatan and the text main text is total belum mencapai hisap 85 gram. Okay, and then if get press it will hilang. Okay, and then let's go to the down and welcome to the section of the UI preview ya. This user interface and user experience. Okay, alright, widget build constant. Replace all blah 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 blah. Now it's for formatting again. The show the preview of the number when the UI get refresh. Okay, widget. Nah, what is widget? Okay, so this is the widget input for the total harta, as you can say in here. Nah, this is the red one, the purple one. This the green one is called widget. Yeah. Okay, remember. And this is the edge inside symmetric. Yeah, padding margin. Yeah. So padding is for the, you can say, jarak from the pinggir tepi, ya, like that. And if margin is the distance from the left and right. Nah, and then there is decoration, box decoration, border radius, and the color. It's for decorating it, the widget, the box. For example, border radius, nah, in here, circular 20. So to make the border, to make the widget become lengkung, like this. And then color green, that's for the color of the kartu widget. Nah, in here, biru muda. Green. Nah, as you can see in the application, it show green. If we change it, for example, not become green, become white. If we reload it, wait, I don't know this. If and then the same, yeah. This is same. Oh no, no. It's not same. Okay, child column, blah 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 blah. Cross axis alignment. Cross alignment. Start is for making the text rata kiri, ya. And then judul bagian input. This is the, ya, judul bagian input. Ya. This total harta. Nah, this. So it making your text the code total harta. The text style is what? The color is what? The font size is what? The font is what? For this color using this, not using this like this. No, it's just make it easy. We just write it color constant, color primary. What the ini, we can see color primary. Just check in here. Oh, the color primary is this color. So we not ribet using like this. No, we just type like this. Okay, and the font size is 14. The font is Poppins medium. Okay, and then in the down again, yeah, there is the input total harta. It's making a text from field. Yeah. Text from field is what is this nih? This for inputting number. Nah, that is text from field. Okay, okay, listen. Okay, let's go. This control rupiah. That is for connecting the controller for the money format. And then this is keyboard. The keyboard type is text input type number. If text input type uh text input type number, it's not just number that can input. If in it I click A, B, C, it cannot, just number that working. And then there's the decoration again. Decoration for the petunjuk, ya, petunjuk input. In here there's masukkan total harta. Nah, in here there's kan masukkan total harta. If we not click it. Nah, it's UX, user experience. And then label style, color constant that I already told you before, and the font size. This one, the background is white. Okay. It's filled, yes, true. Okay. And then there is the prefix text rp dot. Now this is the text rp dot is for show in the front of the input. And then the border radius make it lengkung, and yeah, blah 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 blah. Color using color primary, so it become, what is this here? Ini what, orange, and yeah, blah 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 blah. But I don't want to read it, so I will explain it. So this the color, the color when it's not active. And then this focus border, yeah, when the is the color when the line is active. It's actually same. And let's go to the concise box. Now, what is that section now? Nah, it's for button to counting zakat. Yeah, this the button okay this. Nah, so for making the preview UI, it's actually really good, yeah, but I'll explain it. So elevated button on press ready 25. So what is that? It's for running the function of the counting. Okay, and the down this is just for the preview, yeah. The preview, like the background color, is using color constant primer again, and the shape is rounded rectangle border. So melengkung again. I think the developer like melengkung. And then there is sudut border is melengkung again, and then making, yeah, minimum size concise double infinite. Nah, it's making the button. It's the size. It's following the container. This container. For example, yeah, we move it. Nah, it's still same, ya. Nah, still same. Wait. Nah, still same. Nah, so following the container. And then this the text setting. Yeah. And the text color is white with text okay inside. Okay. So it become okay. Nah. And we are in the section of the widget total or the result of counting the total one. Uh, this is widget making a widget that called card result. Yeah. Okay. This is mean rata tengah. The text setting is kan dari rata kanan, rata kiri, rata tengah, and then there is the yang rapi. Nah, okay. And then this ya rata tengah. The first um, card is card result harta, total harta in the bahasa like that. Total uang, title, total uang, ini dia, total uang, result, RP. Nah, we adding ya, RP, and then the variable of formatted total harta. So it's called from the formatted. Nah, kan import and then counting this counting in here, and then after that the widget it's calling the variable that the variable and show to the user like that. And then it's making to the zakat result zakat. Zakat dikeluarkan, it's for color purple the color so in here. It's same yeah, how it works. So already get count the result of the 22.5%. It become to the variable formatted zakat dikeluarkan, and then it get code from this card result title nah, in the section. Okay. Now this is the setting of the app bar icon button menu. Okay. So what is this? Is the section of the structure main structure for the from for the screen scaffold or we can say scaffold. So it's app bar. So what is app bar? App bar this loh. Nah this the section is app bar. The background color, the app bar color is color constant color primary, so it's orange. The title of the X bar is Zakat. The color of the text is color constant, color white. The font is Poppins Medium. Okay, and then this for um to go back to a previous page, and this is for what is to make the content can get scrolling to down, and the header this image from this making header from this asset image background header zakat. The size of the box, the size of the image is 16 and 30, nah, like that. And then this the preview of the result. Okay, and let's go to the last section ya, card result harta. What is this? Okay, start from this color constant and for importing the color file, yeah, that contain the color, the primary color primary, the color accent, color white. So we don't not manually typing this. We just like this. Kan if we typing this and then wrong one, it will broken gitu kan. Not same. So just using this. Ya. Or we can say like making a new color name to use from other apps, not the color tag, just the color name. Like that. And material is for importing the library Flutter that for container tags, yeah, that I tell you before. Okay. So what is this? Is widget without state, stateless widget. Stateless is mean is the preview that not change, just showing the data that get sent from other. For example, title, result, and color. Okay. Final string title, final string result, final color, color. So string title is for the title of the application that will show in the top of the card. Okay. For example, total uang. Nah, and then final string result. It's for the value of a result that will get show. For example, RP 1 million like that. And final color is of the background of the card. Okay. Let's go to the const card result harta. So what is super key is the optional to identify the widget and required this title is in bahasa required is wajib itu. So it must fill when this widget get called. Okay, and now this is the tampilan of the widget. Nah, widget build the context. So it's the wadah utama. Container is wadah, and then it making a jarak distance in the from the inside the jarak from the right to left and from up to down, horizontal and vertical. Decoration this for box decoration, it's I'm setting up the preview for like for example rounded and the color background. Okay, so the background of the card it's berdasarkan um the sender ya. The sender set the color primary so it will become the color primary like that. And child column, what is this? It's the susunan vertical ya. From the top to down. The text setting is center ya, tengah. And then this is the settings like it shows the text title like for example total uang and the color is color constant color white. So it's not from the sender, it's from us. The text is color white and the font is Poppins Medium. And what is this concept box height 32? It's making a distance from the judul title to the result. Text result blah 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 blah. It's for showing the result, main result. For example, 2.500. The style is textile, the color concern color white, so white. And the font is 4 inch bold. Font making the font is become bold. Okay. Now let's demo the application ya. We already 35 minutes. Okay. So zakat. Nah, this is as you can see the app bar, there is zakat, there's the back icon. Okay, we import one. We're not using that. Just one. Nah, it automatically there's the dot. Nah, there's the widget card, total harta, masukkan total harta. Oke, nah, let's click it. Oke, oke. Nah, the system will run it. Oh, this 1 million, 1 billion, 1 miliar. Oh, this valid because it's already menyentuh minimum zakat. The total one is 1 billion, and the zakat that must be given is 37,500 blah 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 blah. Nah, what if it's just di bawah under the minimum? It will there is the one message peringatan total belum mencapai hisap 85 grams. Click OK. Nah, like that. So for that function is for like that. Yeah. Nah, no, it's automatically and make your life is more easy. Yeah, maybe that's all, you guys. And I hope you guys understand 36 minutes. Yeah. I hope can see my video until then. And yeah, maybe last word. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you understand.